What's going on, everyone? We have another filing to talk about, SR NYSE-NAT 2021-15. Now, NYSE-NAT is NYSE National. It's one of the lower exchanges, has very little market share, very little volume. This is a very similar filing to what we've seen come out of the NYSE and others in the same group. It is a notice of filing an immediate effectiveness of a proposed rule change, amending its rules to add new subparagraph I-4 to Rule 7.31. Now, I'm not sure why they disguised what they're trying to do in the title. They should just said retail order, because this is pertaining to the new retail order modifier that we've seen come out of a couple other exchanges. This will be filed and effective immediately, meaning since it's on the register, it will be published on the 26th, meaning it will be in effect on the 26th. Now, the purpose of this, again, is to add a description of a retail order modifier. The exchange proposes to amend Rule 7.31 to add new subparagraph I-4 to provide for ETP holders. Now, an ETP holder is just exchange trading permit to designate an order with a retail modifier. The exchange proposes that the new retail order modifier would be used only for purposes of such orders being eligible for different rates on its schedule of fees and rebates, and is not proposing to add a retail price improvement program for orders designated as retail orders. So the changes basically, so the way they're going to define retail order, the exchange proposes to amend Rule 7.31 titled Retail Modifier to establish requirements for retail orders on the exchange. These requirements are based on the requirements to enter orders with retail modifiers for purposes of rates available for such orders on the exchange's affiliates, which are the NYSE American LLC, New York Stock Exchange, and the NYSE ARCA, respectively. These are the other exchanges that we've seen this very exact same filing come out of. So in essence, basically, this rule is going to add a retail order designation, which is a riskless principal order that meets the criteria of FINRA Rule 5320.03 that originates from a natural person and is submitted to the exchange by an ETP holder, provided that no change is made to the terms of the order with respect to price or site of market. And the order does not originate from a trading algorithm or any other computerized methodology. So they don't want that going on with retail orders. That's good. This proposed rule is based on NYSE American Rule 7.31E I4A without any differences. Proposed Rule 7.31 I4B would specify that in order for an ETP holder to access the proposed retail order, the ETP holder would be required to designate an order as a retail order in the form and or manner prescribed by the exchange. So if they want to touch a retail order, they got to abide by the rules and how they define it. No algorithms, no price manipulation, and it has to be on the same side of the market. And they also have to have written policies and procedures reasonably designed to ensure that if they are going to designate an order as retail, they meet all of the requirements. So again, this looks like a good one, very similar to what we've seen from the other exchanges. Should be in effect Monday. See what happens. Y'all have a good one.